Okay, so we are learning something new in the second chapter only. Okay, in the last lecture we did something called as corresponding angles, alternate angles and interior angles. We'll just elaborate on that and learn. I'll just share the screen now. Everyone able to see the whiteboard clearly? Yes, just shake your head, if you can see the whiteboard clearly. Okay, great. Okay, so we'll just elaborate on what we did last time. We learned about corresponding angles. We learned about alternate angles, and we learnt about interior angles. As I said, corresponding angles make an L type of a formation. Alternate angles make a Z type of a formation. Interior angles are angles which are inside two parallel lines. Okay. Now pay attention carefully. Corresponding angles and alternate angles formed by two parallel lines are always congruent. Now what is the meaning of this word congruent? Or we can even say they are equal. Okay, now how will I explain this? Let me draw. Pay attention. I draw two parallel lines here. 1, 2, and I'm drawing a transversal. I name these parallel lines line L and line M. And I name this transversal also line N. Let me give namings for all this. A, this is B, C, D, E, F, G. Now what were corresponding angles here? I'm not taking all the pairs of corresponding angles. I'm only taking one pair to explain you. As I said, corresponding angles are congruent. Congruent means equal. So L type formation is here, one L formation is here, and one more L type formation is here. So this angle and this angle are said to be equal. What are the names of those angles? Angle BAD. Can you all see this? Angle BAD is equal to or congruent to, or we can even say equal to, angle AEF. Angle AEF. Okay, these are called as correspond. We know they are corresponding angles, but I told you more about corresponding angles. What information I gave you? That corresponding angles are congruent, or you can even say in simple language they are equal. Always, when there are two parallel lines and when there is a transversal, only then all these type of angles are formed. Suppose there are two parallel lines. Suppose the two lines are not parallel. Breaking. Nathan, you'll have to go out and come in once again. Can you hear me now, Nathan? Can you hear me now, Nathan? Nathan, you please go out and come again once again. Join once again, Nathan. Nathan, can you see me? Join once again. Okay. Wait, let me chat and tell you. Nathan, join again. I hope he read it. Okay. Okay, let's continue. So corresponding angles, we saw one pair. All the other pairs also are congruent. What I was saying when Nathan he came in between, I said that only if there are two parallel lines. I hope you all can hear me clearly. You all can hear me? Okay. Only if there are two parallel lines, and there is a transversal, only then these type of angles are formed, and they are said to be one pair, that is corresponding angles. I've just written here, they are congruent. All the other pairs also, which are the other pairs here? There is BAC, AEG, then there is DAE, and there is FE. Suppose I name this as H, there is FEH. All these are also congruent, that is corresponding angles. Let's see something about the next part, that is alternate angles. Alternate angles, Herschel, what I said, which formation alternate angles make?
Z formation.
Very good, Harshal. So Z formation here is what? Here angle DAE and angle AEG. So angle DAE is congruent to angle AEG. So alternate angles, this is one alternate angle, this is the other angles. Alternate angles pair is also said to be either congruent or equal. Again, I say alternate angles are formed how? Only if there are two parallel lines and there is a transversal. If there are no parallel lines and transversal, alternate angles are never formed. Is it clear? Nathan, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please mute yourself, Nathan. Okay, the last part and the most important part. I'm writing this separately. Interior angles. Now, interior angles are not congruent. Like alternate and corresponding, interior angles are not congruent. Interior angles are said to be supplementary. Now, what is the meaning of this word supplementary? Supplementary means angles editing together or angles coming together, having an addition together and coming together and making total of 180 degrees. That is called as supplementary. On the contrary, the word complementary. Complementary means what? Angles coming together and making an angle of 90 degrees. But complementary you don't have, just for your information. You have only supplementary. So interior angles together form an angle which is equal to 180 degrees. Please repeat after me one by one. The interior angles, say everyone, interior angles
Interior angles
come together
come together
and make an angle
and make an angle
equal to
equal to
180 degrees.
180 degrees.
Okay, now we'll just see an example in the form of a diagram. Okay, have a look at this diagram. Again, I give namings to this diagram. Okay, this is N, line L, line M. Suppose I start with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and this last H. Okay, so what are the interior angles here? Angles which are inside. Which are the angles? Angle DCF, DCF, and angle CFG, CFG. Now these two are not congruent. They come together and make an angle of 180 degrees. Means DCF plus angle CFG is equal to 180 degrees. Coming together means having an addition together, right? If I say Nathan and Herschel come together, that means you plus you together you will come. Correct or no? So angle DCF plus angle CFG, this is one pair. One more pair of interior angle is there. Angle BCF plus angle CFE. This also is equal to 180 degrees. Only three types of angles you have: corresponding, alternate, interior. Corresponding angles, L formation, congruent. Alternate angles, Z formation, congruent. Interior angles, no formation, but the angles which are inside the parallel lines, and they are not congruent. They come together to make an angle which is equal to 180 degrees. Did you all get it? Did you all understand? Did you all understand? Okay, now I'm going to put a diagram in front of you, and I'm going to ask randomly a question. I want you to tell me which are the alternate angles here, which are the corresponding, and which are the supplementary angles here. Oh, sorry, interior angles here. I've done a bigger diagram so that you can see clearly on your phones. Line L, line M, line N. I'm giving all the namings also. A, B. Nathan, can you hear me clearly now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. F, G. Okay. Can anyone tell me? Anyone? I want Herschel to tell me. Herschel, tell me corresponding angles here.
Sir, any or all?
Any two. Any two which are congruent to each other. Any two.
Sir, angle NCD.
Angle N, no, that is A. This is A. N is the name of the line. This point is A. So
Angle
angle,
ACD.
very good, is equal to which angle?
And angle CEF.
Superb. Superb, Herschel. Very good. So Herschel has understood very well. Nathan, I want you to tell me any one pair of alternate angles here. Z formation. Come on, Nathan. Nathan, you have to unmute first. Nathan.
Sir, voice is breaking again.
Oh my God. Nathan, there is some problem in your phone or your system at the moment. You have to do something. Whenever you cannot hear me, go out and come back again. Okay, go out and come back again. Falguni, can you tell me? Alternate angle, Z formation, come on.
Sir, angle DCE and angle
Superb,
CE.
Falguni. DCE and angle CE. I can't hear you.
Sir, angle CEG.
Very good. Lovely. You have also understood. Superb. Sakshi, come on. Now I want you to tell me interior angles. Come on, Sakshi.
Angle CEF
Okay.
and angle
Yes. Inside. Angles which are inside. CEF is inside. Correct. With that, one more angle is inside. Which angle is inside? Leaving this.
leaving this DCE.
That is the alternate angles. CEF is here. BCE is here. This is Z formation. This is alternate. I want interior. Interior means what? Inside.
Inside.
Yeah. So inside is which angle? Here. Inside. Inside. Here also inside. Inside. They are interior. Come on. Whatever you know, try it out. No problem. Whatever you know, tell.
Angle ACD.
That is corresponding. Can anyone tell me? Anyone knows? Anyone can tell me? Yes, come on, Herschel. Superb.
Sir, angle CEG.
Angle CE,
G.
CEG. Let me erase this and 1 second. See. Maybe not being able to see. Okay, wait. Okay, now tell me. Wait. Okay, now tell me, Herschel, which angle?
CEG.
CEG is this angle. And which angle is interior? With this, which angle is interior?
Sir, CES.
No, CEG is left. CEF is on the right. Come on, Falguni.
Sir, ECB.
No, you are very close. Come on, Falguni.
The angle BCE.
Superb. Here, everyone. This angle and this angle both are inside, no? So both these are what? Supplementary angle. Now you all spoke about left. Let's speak about right. This is about the right hand side. CEF. With this, which angle is interior? Can anyone tell me? With this, which angle is interior?
Sir, angle DEC.
No, you're close.
Sir, DCE.
Yes, angle D. So Falguni is the only one who has understood super well. Again, see here. This is your interior. One more angle which is in the interior. Between two parallel lines, as I said. Always remember, suppose this is your two parallel lines. This angle plus this angle is 180 degree. And this angle plus this angle is 180 degree. Can Nathan hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Nathan, now you tell me here. I am drawing one figure here. You tell me the answer here. Okay, I am naming this A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Tell me the interior angles here, Nitin.
DBC,
Okay, very good. And
BCE.
superb, Nathan. DBC and BC, are they equal? Are both the angles equal, Nathan?
Yes, sir.
Interior angles are equal?
Yes, sir.
Nathan, what you are saying, think and talk. Are interior angles equal? Corresponding and alternate are equal. Are interior angles equal? Herschel, are interior angles equal? No. Okay, then what happened to interior angles? They are?
Supplementary.
Yes, they are supplementary. So their addition is equal to 180. So what Nathan said, DBC plus BCE together is equal to 180 degrees. Did you get it? Did you all understand now? Did you
Yes,
all
sir.
understand now? Nathan understood?
Yes,
Nathan
sir.
clear? Understood?
Yes.
What about Sakshi? Sakshi understood clear?
Yes, sir.
Sakshi understood clear. Okay, okay, great. So I'll just share the textbook. I want you all to do some homework related to this. 1 second. Okay, can you all see? Wait, I've not shared the screen still, and I'm saying, can you all see? 1 second. Yeah, can you all see the screen now? Can you all see the screen? Yes, can you
Yes,
please shake
sir.
your head? Okay. Just if you have the textbook, mark it in your textbook. Please mark it in your textbook. This, I want you to write all this once for homework. Whatever I'm marking on the screen, please write it once for homework. That is this property of corresponding angles. Second, property of alternate angles and property of interior angles. All these three, I want you to write it once for homework with the diagram. Huh? That's all. Okay, and I think you can, no, I think that's enough. Only write these three once for homework. Clear? Please give me a thumbs up if you all are clear with everything what I taught today. Please give me a thumbs up. Okay, Sakshi done, Falguni done. Herschel, please give me a thumbs up. Herschel done. Okay, Nathan, superb. Okay, so please do your homework. Send your homework before tomorrow, 4 p.m. and only do it once. Try to understand. If still you have any doubt and all, we can clear it up in our next lecture. Okay, is it clear? How is your science lecture going on? What was taught today by ma'am?
Diseases.
Diseases. Okay, is the chapter done? Is the first chapter of science
Yes,
done
sir.
or wait?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The first and second both are done.
First and second both are done. Okay, today only you'll be messaged. You will be having your test on Saturday. Your timetable is already given to you. You'll be having your test today only. It will be put in the group what topic test will be there. Okay, and has ma'am sent you all the notes?
No.
She will be sending you. She will be sending you the notes also within some time. Okay, so you have to study from the notes only which I'm sending. And secondly, only star mark. That is after your lesson, you have questions which are star marked. After your lesson, you have exercise. Exercise is there in science. So only those questions will be there for your test. Objectives, anything can come from the textbook. So please read the textbook very well. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
Your
sir.
portion will be told to you today. Your notes also will be sent to you today. Portion for the test, notes also will be sent today in the group. And maths, in our today's lecture, anything you are not clear, didn't understand and all, we'll do it in our, once again, we'll do it in our next lecture if you all have any doubts. If you don't have any doubts, we'll continue with the solved example in the next practice session. Okay, so take care everyone. Bye, stay home, stay safe, don't go out,
Yes, sir.
and do some
Bye,
exercise.
sir.
Nathan, do some exercise. You're going on putting on weight. Okay, take tips from Herschel. Okay, chalo, bye
Bye,
everyone.
sir.
Bye,
Yeah,
sir.
bye,
Sir.
bye, bye, bye.